Okay. You're right. Let's turn the TV down. So I have the dog going from my puppy, but he is literally not paying no attention. So hold on, cause it's like a dog cartoon, some dog man or something. He don't care about that. He rather watch Dateline like his mama. So let's go. But you know, YouTube be messing up my recordings when I watch Dateline because they haters. See if I think Court TV it don't be messing up when I watch Court TV. It don't say that I'm copyright infringing or something. This one crazy. I put this here. I put this here when these were like acting crazy in consolidation, and that's crazy, man. Look at that. And it went and knocked it exactly pre-market though. I'm not trading pre-market, so well, that got me messed up from not wanting to trade pre-market, but I probably could trade pre-market in this. And my price is literally at the midline of my bearish order block. I put this on my chart, but I don't know because supply and demand. I have to see how it works over the course of the day, you know. Is it going to like show the different supply and demands as the day moves? Because it's not even really showing a bunch because this is the supply and demand right here. Really a good one. So I don't know. Hmm. I don't even know what the thresholds and resolution. I meant to look on YouTube to see if this Luke's album people they have like a YouTube that tells how their different different indicators, what settings work for what and stuff like that. But yeah, look at that rejection from my midline. That's great. Still pre-market though. 30. So what I'm looking for real is so I did my pre-market. There's my PD fib right here. I do the most recent swing point, which was this here from 742 to 827. But now I have to change that because it made a different swing point. Okay. So all this lines up perfectly. And then I have my yellow AOI box, which is my 8:30 a.m. candle. And the 8:30 a.m. candle is this red candle. And I feel like that's gonna be used as a bullish order block because this this candle is bullish, this candle is bullish, then this one is bearish, and then this one broke structure above it. Although it's rejecting a little bit, it should because it's in this bearish order block right here. But I think it's gonna go up maybe and knock this out and then come back down. It may not even go all the way up and before it come down, but it's definitely gonna use this red as a bullish order block. I'm definitely thinking that for sure. So you really can't see on here, but that's my red. I mean my yellow, and that's the midline. The dark red. I mean dark yellow with the midline, but that's the yellow whatever you call it OB. I mean the yellow outline 8:30 candle. Yeah, 8:30 candle. And then I'm gonna see. Do I see anything that I should be looking at on a 3 minute that I will mark off with a and then the only thing I'm waiting for is so it's the when, the where, and the why. So I'm supposed to wait till 9:50, 10:10 macro. Let's see how that works, you know. But because honestly, if price gives me the rejections I need, I will get in a trade before then. Y'all know that. But um I'm just trying to get in that like that first 3 minutes sometimes because sometimes you get in the first 3 minutes and it'd be a banger, but then sometimes you get in it and it's just nothing but back and forth. and just message you up. And today is Monday, so I definitely don't want to get in on the first candle. Then I say I know, but then you just don't know, you know. This is definitely a good one to have here because it broke structure right here and created. I think I'm gonna mark this one off. I don't think price gonna come down. I mean, I do think price will eventually come down this way, but so that's a no bullish order block here, bearish order block here. Got my 830 candle there. And I'm pretty sure this 830 candle is gonna be the bullish continuation. So I'm thinking that it's gonna do this, gonna come down and hit this midline, which is also the midline of the fib, the PD fib, PD array fib, so premium discount fib. So the midline of the fib is the black line, and the yellow is the midline of the 830 candle. So that's like double confirmation that price should come back here, retest to continue up. So that's what I'm looking for my trade. I need to write that down because I will. What is it? It's not this. I want to put this here. Maybe I could. Maybe to help me remember. So, look for buys here. So look for buys, but you can barely see it because of this thing here. Or maybe I have to change it because I had a different color because because I was on a black screen before, I think, background, canvas background. Oh, that's cool. It's okay. What's look for sales look like? Hmm. If it bounces from here and goes up, that's good. Look at this. Great rejection, great rejection. But look at bookmark. See, think order wise. What do we? Even out. It's above the VWAP. The VWAP is where at 2507. 2507. Where's that? Right down there. Okay. Nothing major. I don't see no major. This here. 2512, which is right here. That's at the top of my fib. So if it goes back up there and rejects from there, that's like okay, it's gonna be you may want to get all these orders still 12, 13. before it comes out and get these orders. You know, 2507, that's the VWAP. So, it's consolidating right now. Trying to give the market time to open, I guess. 2507 is right here. That's where so if it can't break below that, we need to break below that close and then retest it. This the bottom of this 30-minute order block. Yeah. Let's see some key areas of support and resistance. I don't really see any for because it was here, but it broke above here, came back. We need to come back and retest this area, which is around the bottom of this. If it wants to continue down, I want to see sales. Yeah, I would say I probably need the sell thing to here because it's $50. That's all I'd be looking for. So if it did go from midline, reject to midline to here, I would only take it to there anyway. And then here's this gap. Sounds like an opening gap and it hasn't closed that up. Should mark that out. It's not even a new day opening gap, but I should look and see if it was a gap. Oh, it's a gap, all right. This is the gap. When was this? Thursday, Friday? Thursday to Friday was a gap that hasn't been closed up yet. That's a big gap right here. Still haven't closed that up. It might want to close that up. It's not. This is not really a new day opening gap though. This is just like a gap. What is this? Friday at 4:30. Oh yes, it is. And then Sunday at 6. Yeah, that's the gap from. Definitely. Price may want to clear that up. We'll see. Market opening now. Well, it's gonna go up. Oh, it's up at 514. It's 50 orders at 514. Could have got up there and got them orders, but I mean, got the orders just popped up. From book map. Oh, it's over. We'll see. See, these orders just popped up that wasn't there at 514. The price may want to work its way up there, and it still is above the VWAP. It hasn't it didn't go down to the VWAP and bounce like it did on Friday though. But price is just up and down, it's not really giving me. Giving a clear direction, you see? Yeah. Okay. More orders popping up. 50 at 515, 50 at 514. We'll see what happens. It's not checking off any of my key levels though. I mean, it's rejecting like just in my order block, but just like up and down is not really. Both for the top and the bottom lines are super. And the 30-second chart look even crazier. But the 30-second chart is giving bullish because of that right there. See if it breaks through that or not. We'll just follow with that. But it's up and down though. You know? I still got in there, but it's still like people giving the 450. So I was looking at that 30 second. We should finish up and get the rest of that, but because there is some orders up there, but those orders are starting to push it back down. And it's like in that bearish order block, so I don't know. My puppy's snoring. Crazy. Yeah, there it goes, pushing through. Okay. Push through that. So let's see. So I brought that, so that's a good time to take the trade though. Because it should come back at least to what? This here? Let's see. Come on. I thought I pushed it twice to get come on, 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 come on. Oh, and I got me out. Good. I got my 50. Let's see, what did I make? I made 460. I've been making all this 460. I thought I pushed it twice. It didn't work. I pushed this thing twice to give me 4 contracts, but that didn't work. So, all right, so I'm done for the day on this account. I'm trying to take one trade a day on my my what do you call this? On my evals. So that once it's funded, I'm just used to just like one trade a day. Well, this it turned it into the new supply. Once it broke through my other supply zone, it recognized that the new one was right above it, which was good because I would have had to go far back to find that. Because my supply zone was oh no, it was this one right here. I didn't go all the way far back, but this still gave you like this is the next supply zone here, which is really good. That was really good. I think price is gonna reject from here. It should come back up, I feel like, from here. And it is a demand zone showing here too. Yeah. It's below the VWAP now though. But I think it may just wick below it. I want to pull this over. See, there's so many orders that should be trying to push it up from here, and there is a new zone that was created on that supply and demand thing that I have, and it's actually really using that too. That's pretty good. Is it gonna stay below that VWAP and continue down, or is it just going to have like a 30-minute wick below it and keep going back up? You know? Well, I should want to come to um, this here because price has been going up and up, up. It's like it should want to create, clear up. Oh, well, it cleared up all of this from Friday. That's why it was going up, up. I wonder if it's going to, it might do that. Yeah, but it may take all day to do that. You know, that's what it can do. It can take all day to clear this up. Because right now, it's exactly what I said. Like what I said I wanted to. Once it came to the midline and started to reject, perfect. handle to I mean that's to get in to continue up. And it's back above the VWAP. I'm gonna take trades back to back to back. And it's not 950 yet. So if I'm gonna take another trade, it have to be the 950 macro trade. Although it is doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to come there and then it's already. I would have thought that if I would have been on my 30-second chart, I would have probably definitely got into that. But I probably wouldn't got into it to here. And now it's starting to reject. And I think it's rejecting off of this 30-second to continue down. We'll see if it comes back here and just if it just wants to reject again. Yeah, I think it's turning around to continue down. Yeah. I'm seeing bearish for today. Yeah, I see bearish. But I need for it to come past this blue. I mean past the black mid line, the 50% line. And then close below and then retest it. That's really what I want to see. Because otherwise it could do whatever. And these 3-minute candles look shaky. I'm going to readjust this. And I like to readjust it to like the opening price range. So it is rejecting from the midline now. So that is a sign of bearish for me. From what I've been looking at for back testing, it seems like when it rejects off the midline, once it box off the opening price and then it does whatever it's gonna do and then it rejects from the midline, it seems like it's been continuing down. It continues wherever it's rejecting from. So it's rejecting from in like a bearish way instead of closing above it, it closed below it. So that's kind of like a bearish signal for me, but I'm just still now learning RTY. But just from my back testing, like I noticed that that's usually what happens when it does that. Let's see. Let's see if it comes back to the midline on Jax.
Taking a quick break and getting ready for it to resume any minute now in the standard room meetings, murder trial. We thank you for waking up with us on this Monday morning. We'll be right back. We're spotlighting the biggest cases that are trending in true crime. There being a voice.
I want to get in, but I'm like a little nervous because I don't want to lose any money on my account. And it's still back up. Oh, it's not 950 yet. I'm waiting till 950, 10 macro. Yeah, because price moves a lot at 10. I know this RTY, so I'm not getting into no trade to after that. I'm just gonna watch it. It's Monday. We made 460.
Wherever can you take you? What's your weight line with personalized guidance to improve your credit, savings, access, and more? It's with Credit on you can count on.
I'm trying to see what it's just like. Doing what it's doing. Boom, it's right there at bullish order block. This that was created by my indicator that I'm using. I don't really like indicators, but I like indicators that provide assistance with my particular strategy, which is I use order blocks. And order blocks is basically supply and demand. People just call it different stuff, but basically the same thing. But on the 30-second chart, you can tell this was red. It's going, see, it's rejecting off the top of this yellow, which is my 30. And so it might just only be, rejecting because it's at these areas of rejection. So it has to reject. And so that's why I said 10 o'clock is when it really gives good moves. Because right now it's just like back and forth a little here and there, not really showing his hand. But at 10, closer to 10, that's when it really starts to show his hand.
With the best selling electric bike in the US. We have every type of bike for every type of bike.
At that midline again, sort of rejecting downward. And price should want to clear these wicks up. It shouldn't want to leave these wicks like this. So that's why I'm saying price should come down. At this point, I really wanted to get into that, but I'm trying to just wait a minute. But that was perfect. Oh, that was perfect. I was about to get in that pot.
Just by into a trying and saving hundreds of dollars a year and using that extra money for my daughter's future. For the over that, I feel myself as
25.
Going to try to five. Wow.
See what happens from here. It's a break below here. And we touched it.
Vehicle breakdowns are costly. Or maybe it's really weird noise. If your check engine light comes on tomorrow.
I know I want to 50 actually.
We've got some teachers.
Right now, just waiting for price to see what it's gonna do, but I think it's about to really get down.
$1,400. Endurance paid. Who's gonna pay for your next car repair? You or Endurance?
A lot of rejection right there though. With this area, when they break through it. Look at the 30-second. Reject, 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 reject. And it's at the green area. Reject, reject. Yeah.
There is a constant flow of news, especially out of Washington D.C., but also across the
Reject, reject.
weather events. That's something that I need to be ready for every single day. And some days I might cover 2 or 3 different stories because that's what the needs of the day are. And every day is different, but it's part of what keeps us shopping.
Right. I don't like that.
Nancy Pollock, she disappeared in 2023. You know, and they were
Look at that.
reported with
$100.
we're waiting for the jury to get back in the box. We have got a special agent who worked this case on.
Come on, pull it back down, pull it back down, pull it back down, pull it back down. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Really? Come on. I'm doing good. I lost $140 and the money that I made. That's annoying as hell.
They're walking on this road, on the bathroom, and in the bathroom area, the bathroom,
I keep on going in at this area, and this is not a good thing to do. It's showing me that it's rejected off this area, so I don't know why I'm like,
Why you see,
come on, come on.
I saw, at first I saw a flashlight, just looking around. I heard a man's voice. I couldn't understand exactly what he was saying, but I heard a man talking.
Come on, come on, come on.
Heard this strange.
Come on. Push through, push through, push through. Push through there, push through. Push through, push through.
That strange heat.
Come on, push through.
And what did you do now? So I couldn't get close enough to see what was going on. It was very thin, so hard to walk through. It'd be hard to walk through the daytime. But like I said, it was very quiet. I didn't want to make a bunch of noise, so I got back.
Come on. Push through.
To, I believe it's Kentucky. Southwest Kentucky, something.
Come on, come on, push through.
And,
Push through, push through.
The back of the black Chevy pickup right here. I just maintained that position until the sun would get by.
So, I need to stop. I don't know which one is to stop. I'm getting out because I couldn't figure out how to get my stop and I didn't put a stop in place. So I made my money back, but not really. I think price is coming to here. We need to really see like,
Waiting for him.
you know, what's going on there.
Going down, I think was, and I heard a door going down.
Because I had my it's rejecting from this one that I created here.
When he didn't,
So on to new trades. Okay, it's coming back to my area. I mean, that is like if it rejects from there, it should be a bearish. Hold on, it's in this bullish zone. It's still rejecting off of that. But let me see. I need to put this like move this. Cause let's see. Now price may want to go back up to this area here before it comes back.
From there, all the time.
There's something right there trying to push it back up. But I think it's gonna push through it. Come on, push through it, 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 push through it. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Come on, push through it. Then, because all I did really was make back what I already had 460. But I gotta land on my trade longer, that's all. Because pricing gonna come to this for sure. This area right here, this black area right here. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. It's gonna go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Then I act like I can't hold a trade for to save my life. Like I gotta be able to hold the ups and downs, you know. It's gonna push through right now too.
It's a wild drum. I tell you what, I really gonna. See for the weekend and here's north.
I think like push through this area right here. And then what's this? 2,500. Still a lot of orders there. If you wanna get where's 2,500? Yeah, 2,500 is about at the top of this. It's at the top of my 30-minute group block. So this should like come back up and retest something else before it continues down. Maybe retest.
You know, a lot of cases they're kind of cut and dry. There is no cut and dry here at all. There's
Floyd Price wants to come to this area right here. And then eventually here, there's New Day opening gap, but it has to like, do some things up and down first before it's gonna do that.
that he had a great plan for
And this is another 30-minute order block that is rejecting off of right here.
the
But that's another like reason why it's
these people
rejecting so much. Let's see how that looks on the, yeah, see. That's another area of rejection. So now it's bouncing off of the top of that. So I feel like it's gonna go from there to here now. We just gotta give it like a chance to do that.
because they think they're smarter than anybody else, but here they get caught. Thank God. So
I think to they're like 25.
you be fine. And this you do what the full PD to do. Well, it really is. It really is dangerous. I mean, right, when you get caught, then they usually get that stuff in the trouble. I think the cycle, so it's a vicious cycle. Yeah, I used to work with someone that was pretty cool in Facebook. They used to say, same surface to get
What time is it? 11:50. Okay.
awesome.
In my times frame, I'm going to 10 o'clock though. Let's see. Like there's another one too right there.
The jury is back and it's just
Like
when you scatter the millions of murder trial, they get some more conflict. I'm feeling woman. HMC business, each month of the those you are well, we can't guarantee my power to live with it. The way you find this always going is first. It is, man. It's more like 3 weeks. Hey, they go to my shop on time, they're often. Sure. They're all definitely tell you.
come on, push down, push down, push down.
Take it easy, depend on, or when we get right.
Come on. Push down, push down, push down, push down, push through, push through. Push through those levels. Come on, TY, push through those levels. Come on, trying. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Push through, push through, push through, push through.
Pretty stressed, that is good. You just step in and go.
Come on, push through.
It's there. Oh, it's guys, it's very so.
Is it 10? I have to get out because I hate when I do that. I feel like I have too many conflicts. I feel like it's 10 o'clock, so.
One second, very good. And then maybe we trust.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
1 second, feel without your hand. 3. And stay in 3.
Come on, come on, come on.
3, and let us see.
Come on, push through, push through, push through. Push through there. Don't go back yet. Push through there. Just push down.
We have a serious problem with country.
4. Let's not jumping to trades. Like, just stay in the trade, Kevin. Just stay in the trade. Just stay in the trade. Just stay in the trade. Just because I don't have a stop either. That's the problem here. Come on, come on. Come on, push through that little level. Yep, come on, go.
50% on cholesterol, beautiful meat, positive, all good, final. Will beat any competitive offer, guaranteed. And our price includes everything: installed flooring and even furniture. Get Empire.
Come on, push it through.
50% off. Visit Empire.
Yes, come on, push it through there, push it down, push it down. Through those levels, push it through those levels. What time is it now? 57. Come on, push it through those levels. Push it through those levels. Come on, push it through. Come on, push it through. Come on. Push it through that level. Push it through. Come on, push it through the level. Push it through.
By modernizing workplace performance with Microsoft Surface.
Come on, push it through.
Automates tasks and quickly analyzes complex data.
Yes, yes. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's almost there. Okay, out. I'm ready. I'm dying sure enough. I made $600. That's good enough. I'm really gonna just be able to hold my trades because I'm so like Nasdaq had me so shook from holding trades that now is I'm always just like kind of just jumping in and out because I don't know if it's gonna turn around and just screw me, especially when I'm a little bit over leveraged because I shouldn't have 4 contracts. I really only want to trade with two. That was the this is that equilibrium of this. Okay, so the equilibrium, that's the average weighted, that's the middle. Oh, price is great. It's so many orders on wait, let me pull this up. Look at that. 294. 117. 295. That's down here at the end of here. Once you get to the end of my order block, this one should shoot off back up for real. A good. But what I was saying is this was the middle of that. So, but this is the way to see. I don't even need this in the let's see. But let's look at it on here because it's gonna show me the next one anyway. See, it's showing me this anyway. The jury's not gonna know about it. After this becomes living money. It's going to happen with the opening up. Let's take a look at some testimony. That's where it should go. That's 294. That's where 292. Let's see. What's going on in 292? Put a few orders down there, but not all like that. Oh yeah, I need to log out of this because I don't want to take no more trades on this phone. And this one here, and it might come back up to here to retest. I don't think it did that. And then they have one came up, but they're really. Let's see, it did right here, it did right there. Okay. And I broke it out my line there. 94 is where that big order is that I feel like they want to take. I wanted to do 4, but I didn't do 4. Okay, so get that order level now. That should be turning around. It took those 100 and some orders. Took those orders that was there, those 117 orders. So the 294, it grabbed them. It was this line here. It grabbed them. So now it may go and try to get the rest of these, maybe because it's right here at the new day opening gap anyway, to clear that up and then turn around. But I'm not taking any more trades because I done took too many now already. because I'm in and out instead of just holding the trades. So I probably took like 7 trades, and I only supposed to be taking 1 to 3 or something like that. Yeah, actually, I took like 7 trades. Lost 2, lost 780. Profited 900, something like that. 780. I don't think this thing right because it's saying I'm up 780. Lost 780. Let's see. Let's see what the 21 EMA is doing here. I'm about to log out of here. Log into my other account. I really do have to start holding my trades though, for real, y'all. I can stop like jumping out because I just be nervous. Cause the way that Nasdaq like will whip that straight out, go 100 ticks up just to R2I does not do that. That's why I like R2I because it does not do that. It's not going 100 ticks for a retracement. This retracement be like 20, maybe 10, even though that's a lot if you have a high amount of contracts, but I mean it's gonna follow market structure. And like you see once it hit that, what is that? It's crazy. Like I should have just held all the way to here from there. It was held. Even with just one contract. Because what's one contract 200? That's why I need to be just praying one contract. That's $1,000. One contract. Just hold it to 200. That was 217. Because if I have one contract, I really won't care about the up and down. You know? It's kind of like a volume weighted indicator, I guess. Because it does say like weighted on there. I gotta figure this out though. See, weighted here. But I think that is like saying like it's real potential of it using this level here at the top of it. Because if I took off weighted, what would happen? I don't know. I guess I gotta get out of it and say okay. No, that don't do it. Well, no. I really wish I would have been just on something other than NASDAQ and not being greedy for the past year and not trying to trade NASDAQ because it gives items and quickly and not being and not wanting to be patient and all that, you know.
Like where we are so far in this wild case. I mean, who does this? These allegations are just stunning, to say the least. The allegation is that we don't just have a killing.
Is this my demo? Because I don't make sure I'm not.
Taking a body, allegedly setting the body on fire and scattering the remains at a different place. That is what police say this man did to his girlfriend, Nancy Howard. Let's bring in our law enforcement analyst guest, Sunny Slaughter. Sunny, good morning to you.
I'm just following my market structure. I'm on my demo account, so that's it. Snap and,
We always first review with you. You know what month it is. It's October, so you have to go on for Awareness Month. And this is one of these
I'm seeing orders down here now, too.
violent murder. Okay, let me say it again. Domestic violence
but it may want to come up more first. Look at this. I'm probably about to get knocked out. But look at all of these orders here. Yeah, I'm about to get knocked out.
And the allegations that law enforcement not understanding what
Maybe
they
not.
should
Okay.
not do,
So we'll come back.
asking questions. They have
Maybe we want to clear this up. What is this? 494? We're at 491 is where I am. 494, 492. Look at all these orders right here. Oh, because it's at the New Day opening gap. It's like, come on, just get the New Day opening gap.
right saying.
I don't want to like have my stop higher, but I think like maybe here probably would be better.
Because one of the reasons the judge is ready to go with a couple lawyers, a couple deputies, doesn't look like those has been brought over yet. So because he is in jail, he's going to be transported and then brought up, uncuffed and whatnot before they bring him. So it doesn't look like.
Wants to grab these orders up here before coming down. Come on, R2Y, let's go.
Right back into the.
I don't know all time, but still, I still want to be making the right trades. And I feel like that was but it's that all these orders they want to get up there. So it may do that before it comes all the way down here. But look at all of this down here. Seems like it should want to come down there and get that. With this 30-second chart looking up. Yeah, that looks pretty damage. Like it shouldn't want to come above that.
If you
I don't know though. It may come right to it and knock me out. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Come on. I mean, you're so close. Just come clear up this gap right here. Yes, come on. Clear that gap up. I can hold my face better on Portugal. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 25 and 50. Come on. Let's go. Don't. With this doing track looking like.
Yeah. Hello, celebration.
Come on. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Go clear that out. Yeah, come on. Let's clear it out. Come on. Yes, come on. Just go. After afraid. You know it's gonna go or not? When I'm for contracts, I'm only looking for 25 ticks, but I want to shoot for 50. I gotta stay up for 50. That'd be taking like 15 minutes sometimes. So this looked like it was went pretty quickly here though. Charles got at 954 on that 950 macro. Price it is in a order block, but I feel like it should want to come to this new day opening gap here and just clear that up. Go ahead and clear it up. Come on, just go ahead and clear it up. You're almost there. All them orders right there. You know you want to get them orders. Why you playing? This plan is so crazy. Like all these orders right here. 100 at 94, 93, 92. Like just come on. Just come get those orders. You don't need to go up that high before you get the orders. Let's go like knock me out and then come around and go. Okay, it broke those equal highs. Now it's time to turn around. Come on. Don't knock me out.
But with endurance,
That's why I can walk into North.
here again. $1,400. Endurance
Stupid.
running solitaire. You or endurance? Hold right now, get $300 off these links. And you know, so that was
We just have to come back here and retest that.
we just got right in.
Now I lost my money.
I think my degree from UMGC.
Well, I didn't lose my money. I lost my job. What? How much? $653. When you look at our 30-second chart, it broke it, rejected off the top of this midline. So that is the indication that it's
After the money, Julie brings the business court to be long.
when the chart is going to drive. It's like it'll like they wanna
Total Soto Estelera. That's a showing bullshit density thing. Everything is expected to get.
it's gonna break this
time. We'll go to live
before it came down, but I didn't think it was gonna break it as much. You know, I feel like it went to this little 30-second stupid area right here.
The tracking mountain for you and the case I am talking about all morning long.
Maybe wants to go back and retest this here.
Just being brought in, I definitely is when the boots high, embraced it, jacket, even incarcerated, but.
Bring it back to this.
You
might want to go back to this.
They also will not know and they confess to this crime. Confessing has been the crime. So the jury can only consider what's coming before them. We'll see what day number 6 brings today. I was very just getting treated that told me that the from this family for
it's going to discontinue.
But if you may not have seen, you got a clip from one of the investigators. You are taking a look at some of them told the jury.
I feel like it's gonna at least go up to midline. I'm not even looking at my this here. I don't think now I'm just taking praise, but but you thought it did like a on here. Excuse me. Like it did expansion, not consolidation, so it's an expansion. But now that it's going down like that, I don't know. Oh, look at that. What a loser. Hey, Bear, no. Get down. Get down. Bear, down. Bear, down. Go outside. It didn't follow. Oh, look at that. I'm getting out of this straight. Well, I don't think it's gonna go 50 up just for that though. Bear, let's give you we'll go out. We'll go out. Okay, boy. Don't go outside. Go outside. I don't know, because it's like at this bottom of it, it may not. I really want to make it risk free because I'm about to leave out, but it hasn't given enough movement for me to move my stop. But this should be a protected stop right there. I can at least move it to there. That could be protected. We will see. What happens? I'll bet. still Philly. Don't put no jacket there with it. I'm gonna have a jacket on there, but um, oh, Brand, it's only doing what's this 3 minute track look like? That's all I want to see. Okay, that looks good. Come on. Should at least go up to here. I'm thankful. And I got so many that I'm not even really trying to. Come on. Come on. What are we making here? Have I got back in profit? No, I'm still down. We'll see. Come on. Oh, what a loser. This is being, not me. This. I mean, it's at the bottom of this, so I don't know, but. All right, ready? Come on.
We're going to get you back into the Seattle Remains murder trial in just a moment, but first we have some breaking news that we want to share with you. The U.S. Supreme Court has rejected an appeal from Ghislaine Maxwell. She's the imprisoned ex-girlfriend and madam of Jeffrey Epstein. Lawyers for Maxwell were arguing that she never should have been tried or convicted for luring teenage girls to be sexually abused by Epstein. Maxwell is currently serving a 20-year prison sentence, and as per usual, the justices did not explain why they will not take up her case. Coming up, we're going to go back to Florida for more of the Seattle Remains murder trial. We have the first witness on the stand. She is a medical witness as she's going through her CV right now. As we hit the commercial break, we'll let her get her background in before the jury, and then we'll get into the sum and substance of her purpose as a testifying witness for the state of Florida in this homicide case. Plus, we have some brand new unaired footage from Ohio as an 18-year-old Amish man is accused of raping and killing a woman that he worked with. Marilyn, do you want the next? Neither you trust it. You know about it. 1 second. Do one W. Thanks to true. There's a lot less to worry about. Feel secure to let others in. With trusted neighbor and ADT. It's amazing when a network built for 60,000 fans feels custom built for you. CDW makes that happen by delivering seamless game day experiences with Cisco. Secure connectivity supports mobile ticketing and location-based services, which streamline operations for teams, making every fan feel like the number one fan. Make amazing happen. Cisco and CDW.
Gratitude to comfort, to birthdays. Commemorate life's important moments with something special. Find the perfect gift at Harry and David. We make it easy to be thoughtful.
I wish we could stay here forever. Tammy and Linda, with your mortgage nearly paid off, this could be a good time to discuss a vacation property.
George, you're always there with the answers. For every financial need, we'll meet you in the moment. Kevin. Be proactive, deliciously supports your health. Both 3 bags and whole life. 13 grams of protein and 0 grams of added sugar. Be proactive about your day. Because your class is where it all begins.
Eat. Eat zebra. And stay the whole note. Watching Zebra funds people's savings. The Zebra monitors your choice and informs your savings the moment we find those unique. Look, does insurance like the Zebra?
Innovation in American plastics means reducing, reusing, and
Recycling.
so we recycle.
Well, yeah, we manufacture recycled plastic. It's the way of the future, and it's better for business.
Recycling yesterday plastic because it is made to be more.
They sure grow fast, don't they? Yeah. You really become to polish them without the power to teach them. I know you, Joe.
I was just thinking about ways we can keep that college fund going.
Is this a lot, huh? All the time.
Goodbye. Let's talk.
This guy's only there for me. And this is not surprising to you.
For every financial need, we'll meet you in a moment. KeyBank opens doors.
That sounds cool. That I consider being a banker. Fair enough.
You might know about the DirecTV loyalty program. Wow. It's really cool. Is it DirecTV.com?
So, go on. What's that? Gonna walk with what page you're gonna walk. Now, that's my other stuff over here. Even higher. I could have put that one like that. We almost there. Go ahead. Why is it? One, yeah, go. 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 There we go. Good job. Cause I had $3,000 lost here. I did make $3,000 in mm-hmm. The last week. I lost a lot of money. Then I made some back. $3,000 trade, huh? That was good. Where you been? What you doing, boy? Well, I should have that was good. I should have when we came back to here and bounced off 30 second. So that ended up being in breaker block, 30 second breaker block, not order. Instead of a because they were rejected from the top. So came back up to the 8:30 midline.
Okay, as we said, the core look what they're doing. They're at sidebar. Now, but that's okay. I mean, we need to have our own sidebar here. I'm going to bring
Oh, 77 now. Okay, that's good. I goes down a lot.
by the method violence prevention in January. And you raise
It's RTY.
often a little bit more like looking at something you put on that's about how they're to look for. The things don't happen in a vacuum when you're dealing with abusive relationships. That you just need to talk about kids. Thank you.
Is that RTY 3 minute chart? Use this a lot. Like it doesn't always make that M pattern that I want. It's coming down. It would just go straight down and then come straight back up and make like you.
Around and
And I said a few times.
as a birthday picture.
This is a sort of like an M, but them
Yeah,
the different ones that straight down.
we recognize
So, but I think it's good. It's what like consider because this is the of this yellow. We went up to that midline of the 8:30. It may be all the way back up here. But at this point, you should adjust the fib. I like to do that.
and when you get the defendants active in both hands.
I mean, you can have to keep the fib at the first 5 minutes and just watch how it play out here. But I like to adjust my eyes. We'll just see what it does like that.
Be curious to know about the relationship. I the therapy is getting to the point where we know
Read that.
everyone's things going on right before she
If I can get home my trades and not be so nervous about it, I will be way better. You see, I got my trades when I leave out. But if I was here, I probably would have been stressing over every second of the trade. Then get down because you just came from outside and I don't want you on me.
all of the time. Or really
Don't want to call off it.
what those ideas about and what happened after those ideas. Because once you go and speak comedy seems like a weird thing you do after
Then
why
with whoever's going,
we think it's
probably up to these levels here.
from what
I don't think I ever did that. Oh yeah, I did. That 511 is 100 orders. Oh, that's 511 right there. So that would be up here on this. What happens when you absorb them? I like to see what happens after it absorbs them.
Before we even talk about that, there's so like people then negative spot, right? Was there anything involved that in study? I don't know. They tried to material that we essentially bring on this, and I'm related to routes and sharing and basically, this is a major part of this anthropology, right?
It's up there. Let's see what happens. I want to bring it over so I can see. Go back and watch it. Yeah. Let's see what happens. But they didn't drop the orders yet. No. Okay, but that's vegan. Why are you up here on me? You know, all this extra love for you. Oh, my puppy, he's just a baby. Oh, mama. Boy. Going a little too far. He doesn't want to get raped. I'm not throwing order like that. What you want for? Ouch, man. Come on, go get the orders. Get the orders. Well, of course, they're gonna go down first. But you have to. Oh, you kick him out. More first. I'm doing limit orders too. I be telling myself instead of always market ordering everything, you know. More stuff along. A long weekend full of fun though. I didn't have a good time though. Didn't. That's what is going down for me because it feel like price not gonna come back. So people have taken a limit order, people just marking it in, and then price won't go up. And last stop they stop. Yeah, twice. About so puppy. When I did the night walk, we did a really good walk. That was a long walk. And it was far. What really far. So you did it good with the gravity. So I'm going to go up there and get those orders. Mhm. Stop. We'll see this Thursday. Oh, get the orders is not even many no more. What I like that one was like me. Those people take their orders away. Because it was taking too long, I guess. I don't know. They moved those orders, so stop tearing out my stuff. So I guess I'm like, oh, but I'm gonna cut this off. Let's see. To at least record to 11 though, because that's my hours to train on 3 to 11. Just to see how price does, you know. Morning. Upstairs, you start like the college. So get from over there, over to see exactly where 50 would be. You got in there. Outside of the box, the material we sent to you, obviously the range was sent to you. And we want to sort of each and work on that. 10:30, I moved this already out, so after 12. Then what I do is, I lay out the material on trays, and the sleeper designated that is provided. Well, what do you want to know? You wouldn't be having no reason to be worried. Oh, separating out the non-done material from the wood material. Yeah, because sometimes looking at things and we don't to be honest. Get down. Creating the minimum numbers of individuals. And what that means then that a marginalized can be identified from multiple sites. So it's longer than we didn't go up there because you didn't even know how to get back down. You become it. So fragmentation will see those influencers. So not can you tell by its shape as a human, but then I might be able to side it because I know the deltoid muscle marks the thigh, and then twist around them, almost like a candy cane stripe would twist around the candy cane. And so I looked to see if I could identify the block gardens, organizing them by bone type, trying to figure out whether they were right or left, and if they had diagnostic criteria on them. And then I went through all 800 fragments to make sure there was no irregular duplication. I wanted that. Always bring down the jury. Okay. You're trying to each year to about right. But then you make sure that there's no irregular duplication. Explain that. What I'm doing there is making sure that, for example, there will be two upper arm bones for the deltoid insert at the same exact location. That would then prepare me for two individuals. And instead of having 206 attached bones or 800 fragments, I would expect 12 stuff along with that. You're about to be in a lot of trouble with what I'm telling you. And I know irregular duplication. All of the bones were when I made it, or it's a retest, and it's gonna make it above. I think it's gonna make it above, but I would have got out. Too many. Don't like it. I'm going to get off of this trading thing because I can watch what you're doing. Anthropologist looking over remains and determining whether they belong to the body of the particular individual they're concerned with identifying.